Esa sua obiwasan Palestine. Secondly, my best friend, Vince. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time, energy, your finances for the cost of the gospel, for the cause of this church. You have been working so hard for God, and we acknowledge your ministry as you continue to serve God in your ministry. May the good Lord will bless you abundantly as you go forward to continue the ministry of the Lord. You have contributed a lot for our church and for our family and for the people in Kohima, especially for the Poumais. Your good reputation, your behavior, your dedicated life in Christ has given us a lot. And we have learned, the youth, the children, and the people, the believer of our church have learned a lot of things from you. So we don't have anything to give you, but the church has addressed a small token to you, and from our family part, we also would like to give a small token remembering our family and the travel day of my pastor ministry here in Kohima. So my wife will just hand over a small token. Please come forward and receive the